Hey everyone! Today's video is about making money online using apps. We'll explore two options: Honeygain for passive income and Free Cash for active tasks. But before we dive in, let's address the big claim. Can you make $100 a day? The truth about earning $100 daily. While some apps show users earning significant amounts, it's important to be realistic. Earning $100 a day consistently is uncommon. These figures often represent the top earners, not the average. Number 1. Honeygain. Passive income with bandwidth sharing. Fees to consider. Honeygain lets you share your unused internet bandwidth in exchange for credits. These credits can be redeemed for cash or cryptocurrency. Here's how it works. Pros. 1. Passive income. Runs in the background while you browse the web. Cons. 1. Slow earnings. Accumulation rate depends on internet usage and traffic demand. 2. Fees. Consider these when choosing your payout method. 2. PayPal fee. Additional fees may be charged by PayPal for processing your payout. 3. Minimum payout. You'll need to accumulate at least 20,000 credits, $20, before withdrawing. Steps. Sign up. Create a free Honeygain account. Download the app. Install the app on your PC or mobile device. Start sharing. The app runs in the background, using your unused bandwidth. Earn credits. You'll passively accumulate credits while you browse the web. Number 2. Free Cash. Active earning through tasks and games. Understanding earnings. Free Cash offers various ways to earn money actively. Here are some options. Pros. Faster earning potential compared to Honeygain. Variety of tasks to choose from. Cons. Requires active participation, not entirely passive. Earnings vary greatly depending on the chosen task. Some tasks may require upfront investment, e.g., downloading a specific app. Understanding earnings. Surveys. Rewards typically range from a few cents to $1 per survey. Games. Payments vary significantly based on the game and the difficulty of reaching required levels or completing tasks. Offers. Earning potential varies depending on the offer complexity. Additional considerations. Free cash fee. There may be platform fees associated with specific tasks or offers. Be sure to read the details before participating. Minimum payout. You'll need to reach a certain minimum balance. Varies depending on the chosen withdrawal method before cashing out. Remember, carefully evaluate the time commitment required versus the potential payout for each task. Is free cash really free? While signing up is free, some tasks require upfront investment, like downloading a specific app. Making the most money out of these apps. While both Honeygain and Free Cash offer ways to make some extra cash, their earning potential and approach differ. Here's how to maximize your earnings with each. Honeygain. 2. Maximize bandwidth. Usage. Since earnings are based on shared bandwidth, try to keep your devices connected and actively using the internet whenever possible. This could involve downloading large files, streaming videos, or running online games in the background. 3. Referral program. Honeygain offers a referral program where you earn a bonus for every person who signs up using your unique link. Promote your referral link on social media or to friends who might be interested in passive income. 4. Multiple devices. Install Honeygain on all your devices with a decent internet connection, PCs, laptops, tablets, to accumulate credits faster. Remember, earnings with Honeygain tend to be slow and steady. It's a good option for those who want a completely passive way to earn a small amount of extra cash over time. Free Cash. 3. Focus on high-paying tasks. prioritize tasks with the highest payout compared to the estimated time required for completion. Free Cash displays estimated earnings for each task, so use that information to your advantage. 4. Choose engaging tasks. Don't just pick the highest paying tasks. Consider your interests and choose tasks you find enjoyable. This will help you stay motivated and make the process less like work. 5. Complete daily bonuses. Free Cash often offers daily bonuses for completing simple tasks like watching short videos or clicking links. These small rewards can add up over time. 6. Referral program. Similar to Honeygain, Free Cash has a referral program where you earn a commission for users who sign up with your link. Promote your referral link to maximize your earnings potential. Remember, Free Cash requires active participation, but it offers the potential for faster earnings compared to Honeygain. However, be mindful of the time commitment and potential upfront costs associated with some tasks. Final thoughts. These apps can be a way to earn some extra cash, but they shouldn't be your primary income source. For a more stable income, consider freelance work or online courses to develop valuable skills. Stay tuned for future videos where we explore more ways to make money online.